What is place value? Let's see it in action. Let's count from 0 to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you see what happened after 9? We started with 0 here, and after 9 it went back to 0, but also a 1 appeared here. This is known as the ones place, and this is known as the tens place. In counting from 0 to 9, the numbers are in the ones place, but with 10, the numbers grow to the tens place. Now look at what happens in counting from 90. 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. This introduces the hundreds place. With place value, you can create larger and larger numbers, but you can also take large numbers and break them down into smaller ones. In this video, we will use place value to construct and break down numbers. Let's look at an example. At a recycling facility, the first 10 pounds of recycled plastic is accepted for free. For amounts greater than 10 pounds, the facility will charge a fee. You have 15 pounds of recyclable plastic. How many pounds of it will you need to pay for? Let's start by writing 15 and make a note of its place value, as shown here. There are 5 ones and 1 10. Using place value, we can rewrite 15 as 10 plus 5. Written this way, we see the 10 pounds that is free, but this 5 pounds is what will be charged a fee. So you can see how place value allows you to break numbers apart to better understand them. Let's look at another example. You have 47 Lego blocks. How many towers can you build that are 10 blocks tall? The tower on the right is 10 blocks tall. To see how many such towers can be built with 47 blocks, let's take a look at 47 in our place value chart. There are 4 10s and 7 1s. Using place value, we can rewrite 47 as 40 plus 7. The 40 represents the 4 10s. If we think of the 10s as the 10 Lego blocks, then with 47 blocks, we can build 4 towers, each with 10 blocks. In this example, there would be 7 blocks left over. See how useful place value is in breaking down numbers? Let's look at a final example. An auditorium has rows with 10 seats. How many rows will 117 people fill? This is an example that involves a number to the hundreds place. Let's look at the place value for 117. There is a 1 in the hundreds place, a 1 in the tens place, and a 7 in the ones place. We can see that there is a 1 in the tens place, but there's another way of looking at tens. The highlighted section shows that there are really 11 tens. Why? Another way of looking at 100 is as 10 tens. So 117 includes 11 tens. If we think of each 10 as a row, then 117 will fill 11 rows with 7 people extra to partially fill another row. Let's review what we've learned. Numbers are building blocks, and place value allows you to build bigger numbers or break them down into smaller ones.